Hello students, welcome. Today we will study about the graphical representation of normal goods, inferior goods and inexpensive necessities. Well, first we will understand the concepts. So, we will start with normal goods or in short NG. Goods whose demand increases with rise in income and vice versa. For example, demand for branded clothing, electronics, restaurant meals increases with rise in income and vice versa. Now we will move our focus to inferior goods or in short IG. Goods whose demand falls with the rise in income and vice versa. For example, demand for public transport, used clothes falls when income of consumer increases and vice versa. Now we move our focus to the inexpensive necessities or in short IN. Goods whose demand increases with increase in income but later the demand remains the same with the rise in income. For example, demand for staple foods like bread, rice, etc., medicine increases but remains same with the rise in income. As we have understood the concepts of normal goods, inferior goods, and inexpensive necessities, we will now focus on the graphical representation by keeping in mind the concepts. Now in the diagram, we have taken income on the vertical axis and quantity demanded on the horizontal axis. This represents the normal goods curve. So when income increases, demand for normal goods increases, and when income decreases, the demand for the normal goods also decreases or falls. Well, I have also written it here for you all to understand and clear the concept. This diagram represents the inferior goods curve. Now, when income increases, the demand for inferior goods falls, and when income decreases, demand for inferior goods rises. Again, I have written it here for you all to understand and hear the concept. Well, this diagram shows the inexpensive necessities curve. Here, if income increases, quantity demanded for inexpensive necessities remains same, and if income decreases, quantity demanded for those goods remains same. Here again, I have written the concept for you all to understand. Hope you all have understood the topic. If yes, drop a like.